I was inverted.
So you're the one.
Wow! Bourbon Brothers! What's going on, folks? Another week, more rehearsal, and look, we're working so hard. Look at the cool, fancy tools we have behind us. We have some exciting stuff that we are working on, and we can't wait to share it with you. So more information comes from this guy.
Yeah, March 30th, we'll be at a church in Zephyr Hills performing our stuff. We're excited about that. And we may or may not have our cool new water bottles.
Courtesy of...
Yes, courtesy of the lovely Ashley Botwell, Dr. Ashley Botwell. Thank you very much. But we are indeed having fun, so we're going to end the night, as we always do, with a really cool tag we hope you'll enjoy. Thank you. After the rain, the sun will come out, and roses will grow. They will grow.
Yes!